Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are baking up a batch of irresistible apple muffins with a delicious streusel topping. These muffins are perfect for breakfast or a sweet snack, and I promise they'll make your kitchen smell amazing. So let's get started. Full recipe will be given in the description down below. If you have any questions, please mention it in the comment section down below. Here I will start with my streusel topping. Here in a bowl, I've added 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, and 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use butter if you like. Mix all these well. Once everything is combined, set aside. Now for the apple muffins. Here in a bowl, I'll be adding 1/4 cup of oil, one large egg, a few drops of vanilla essence, and half a cup of brown sugar. You can add 3/4 cup of brown sugar if you like your muffins to be really sweet. I like my muffins or my desserts to be like normal sweet. I don't like them too sweet, so I just add a little bit of sugar. Mix all these ingredients well. Now here I'm adding 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix well again. Now here I will sieve in my dry ingredients. Here I'm adding 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Sieve well. And here I'm adding 1/4 cup of rolled oats as well. Mix all these ingredients together until well combined. Scrape down the sides. Here I'm adding 1 medium-sized apple, finely diced into small pieces. Fold in gently. The secret here, that your kids won't even know there were apples in the muffins. Now here in my cupcake mold, I will just grease my mold with a little bit of oil. And I will dust my mold with a little bit of flour. This trick helps that your muffins don't stick at the bottom of your cupcake mold. Fill in your cupcake mold till the top to give a shape of a muffin. This recipe exactly makes 6 muffins. Push down your muffin batter with the help of a spoon to give it a smoother look from on top. Now we will add our streusel topping that we have made in the beginning of our video. Feel free to use your hand at this point. Now we will bake our apple muffins in a preheated oven at 175 for 25 to 30 minutes or until done. Here our apple cinnamon muffins are perfectly ready. They are super soft, you guys have to try it. And these muffins are definitely incomplete without the icing sugar drizzle. For the icing sugar drizzle, I've added 1/3 cup of icing sugar and I've added warm milk in batches till I get my desired consistency. Mix well. Here I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence. This step is totally optional, you can add it if you like. And your icing sugar drizzle is perfectly ready. Just look at these muffins after they have cooled down, how beautifully they look. Now we will drizzle on them the icing sugar. Just look at my apple muffins, how irresistible they look after drizzling them with my icing sugar glaze. Just look at how soft and moist these muffins are. They're definitely worth a try. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Oh my god, you guys, these taste super amazing, super soft and moist. I hope you enjoyed making these apple muffins with streusel topping as much as I did. If you try this recipe, don't forget to share your results in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more easy recipes. See you next time. Bye.